in my way.
We're gonna do a race, so we're getting amped up. Cause I'm gonna win.
Where's our music?
Just like,
Boom, chicka, boom, chicka. This is bad music. Abby.
we're gonna do a race to see who can make an adult-size hat faster.
Crochet.
The hook or the codependent needles.
I need you.
You two are so.
I'm so independent.
I can do this by myself. I'm gonna let her have a head start because it takes so long to cast on.
It takes so long.
So I'm gonna watch her.
Not really, actually. So you should cast on too. Sassy. Yes. I was like, maybe we should just do it this way, just in case. I don't even. So you make it somewhat fair. To be fair, though, I like both things. Just clearing that up.
She does.
But I can fully admit that I tend to think and agree with the fact that the crochet does go quicker.
The one thing I will say is I did learn to knit, and I learned so I could say I learned it, and then I don't like it, but I do like casting on. I love like the rhythm of that.
Okay, so we're gonna cast on real quick, and then we're gonna start the race.
Start the race.
There we go.
All right, she's cast it on. My string all up my business. looks so cute. That needs to be your hat.
Should be my hat.
It should be.
Should be my hat. Pink.
It's like really cute with your hair.
It is.
Your hair is like perfect.
Tikva, match me.
No.
Well, there you go, folks. Crocheting is faster than knitting. Why have we let's get in closer for this. Have we figured out the reason why crocheting is faster than knitting? We were having this chat during our speedy video part.
Yeah. You guys will have to comment and tell us what you think. How does crochet take more yarn? But it's faster.
But it's faster, yeah. How does it take more yarn and is faster, even though knitting takes less yarn and is significantly slower?
It's super slow.
Like you were done when I wasn't even barely a third of the way done.
Yep. That's so weird. It's so weird. I even made more yarn from my yarn.
She made a hat and then part of a hat and then took it out because she wanted to make it bigger and made another hat. So basically she made 3 hats.
Come on.
I mean, she could have. If she had more yarn here, we should have had more yarn available to you to make more hats while I see how many hats you can make.
How many can I make?
Make one.
Well, you make your one. All right.
Well, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.